Alright, welcome to the creation. I want to show you how I created this video with this AI tool. So you open your Google, your Chrome or browser, any browser that you are using. Then you type Flow, Google Flow AI or AI Google Flow. Then you click on it. Then when you click on it, it's going to bring you here. Then you have to select this one here. Select that one. Don't select another one. This one, select this one. So when you select this one, you're going to see something like this. So I have already signed in. You see this place where you are seeing this thing. That's where you click and sign in with your Google. Continue with Google. So when you continue with Google, then you see it. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? So you continue with Google. Then you now click on this new project. This new project you are seeing here, you click on it. So after you don't click on it, you're going to see something like this. So this is the AI to Google Flow. So this place now is where you create image. You see what I clicked? This down place now, when you click here, you're going to see image and video. You see image, you get, and this is where you upload. If you click on this plus sign, you can upload. So I want to generate a image now. This is the prompt. So I've pasted the prompt. I copied it from Chat GPT or Meta AI. So I pasted the prompt. So I want to generate image. So this is where I will click it to generate this arrow sign that you are seeing here. So I'll take away this place action because this is a video prompt. So look at the image prompt for the video. I want to generate the image first. So I'll click on this. It's generating. Let's wait for it. Alright, the image is ready. Our image is ready. The image that we're going to use to generate the video is ready. Okay, now I forgot to show you something. Look at when you want to generate image. This is ratio. This one you see, the first one is for YouTube, the long, that is 16:19. This one is another one. This one is another one. This one is another one. And this last one is for TikTok. You see it. You see the size 9:16. So mind the one that you want to choose to create so that you will not make a mistake. Right. So our image is ready. Look at our image. You click on it. Now if you want to download it, you see this download sign there, this arrow pointing down this place. Then when you click on that arrow, you click on the arrow to download it. It's going to bring out something here. You click at original size, so it will download. You see our image have been downloaded. Okay, so you want to generate video now. You click on this place, and you click on this place. You're going to select the picture, the image first. When you select the image, then you paste the prompt. Then you have to change this. We are on image side, so you change it to video. When you change it to video, look at, you can see how many seconds. So you want any seconds you want to use is there. You can use 6 seconds, 4 seconds, but we're going to be using 10 seconds. So, and it is 16:19 ratio, 16:9 I mean to say. So you click on it, it start generating. So just make sure you wait for it to generate, to let it generate. So it's going to it will not take that much time. And as it's generating, so you wait for it. It's almost ready. Almost ready. So alright, our video is ready. It's ready now. So you can see the video. You can see it right here. So you click on it.
We need the weapons!
Alright, you can see that the video is ready. So I removed the sound. So you see that it's ready. So another thing you need to know is that Flow generates, you can generate 30 seconds per email. You logged in with your Google, it's 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds into 3. But for image, you can generate without any charge, you can generate without any zero, without any credit. So generate as much as you want for image, but for video, it's only 30 seconds. 10 seconds, 3 times, you are done. You get and you can switch email. After, we'll show you how to change email. Once you change email, they'll give you, and they give free credit every day. Every day it renews. But if you, even if you want still want to create more for that day, if the credit is finished, you can switch email, you change email, you get. So when you want to download it, you click on that same plus sign, and then you will see this thing. You will see what they show you something here. Then click on the second one, this second one that says original size. Click on that original size. So the video have been downloaded to your gallery now. See you in the next class.